Perspective Plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/Perspective Plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit perspectiveplans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Perspective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Helping you plan for what's to come. Hello everyone, I'm Christina B and welcome to the Perspective Plans show, where I help you boost your productivity and stay organized so that you can easily handle whatever life throws at you. I upload new videos and podcasts every single week, so be sure to subscribe so that you won't miss anything. Shop for workbooks, printables, and stickers at perspectiveplans.com. And last but not least, this episode would not be possible without the support of our Perspective Plans patrons and channel members. Thank you. Now let's get into this episode. Hello everyone and welcome to Perspective Plans, where I help you plan for what's to come. Be sure to check out my main channel where I post productivity videos every single week. And of course, like and subscribe to this channel where I have nothing but plan with me content, as well as a few unboxings. And yeah, now let's get into this fitness happy plan with me. All right, so I really like this divider. It just says remember why you started. I think remembering your why is super duper important, no matter what your health journey may be. But yeah, I think it's a really good reminder to have. And I love that they put it in August. I think that's really, really important. Let's do a light blue for the month. Because why not? I know we have a few pages. Yeah, so we'll have the first here. And of course, we're going to write August at the top because this planner came with essentially nothing. August 2023. All right, I'm going to grab my phone so we can date this correctly. Alright, that's done. So now that that's dated, oh wait, it is not fully dated. I forgot about these numbers. Alright, 14. I thought I'd finish a bit faster than I typically do. If you have tried bullet journaling, time blocking, or just plain old to-do lists but haven't found the right solution to manage your time, then it's time to try out the Hourly Planner Bundle. This is the ultimate planner with everything you need to manage your schedule and get things done today. Featuring 300 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, 100 plus event and holiday labels, and over 2,000 plus planner stickers in 14 unique colors. All this and more can be found in our Hourly Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at perspectiveplans.com. Helping you plan for what's to come. Alright, so we just have these 2 empty boxes as well as these 2 at the bottom to add some really nice decorations too. What else? I'm trying to figure out what I want to add to decorate on our calendar. Alright, so let's use this one that says you got this, because I do. Let's see. This random one that just says workout. I'm super excited for the fall to begin because I'm tired of the sweltering heat. I don't know about you, but I do like summer. I like a lot of the parts of summer, but the summer has been, I'm sure as you've seen on weather reports, it has been quite hot and hotter than it's been in decades, which isn't fun. But yeah, it's been ridiculously hot, and well, yes, I'm aware that, you know, a bald-headed Biden still is trying to decide whether or not global warming exists, but with temperatures this hot, it's hard to debate. Or to even just still be skeptical about it. So little things like that have me a bit more than ready for fall. But of course, because of global warming, it takes a little bit longer for the colder temperatures to ease in during the fall because, well, global warming. But yeah, let's see what we can use to decorate. It's enough political talk. However, I need to figure out what else I want to add. Let me zoom in a bit. Create a budget that works for you and track your debt, monthly bills, savings, expenses, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, and more. This budget planner is perfect to take control of your finances, even if you are a beginner and just started your financial journey. Featuring 200 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, over 1,500 planner stickers in 14 unique colors, and 50 plus quote layering stickers that allow you to customize the background to match your planner style. All this and more can be found in the Budget Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at PerspectivePlans.com, helping you plan for what's to come. Alright, I think that's pretty good. Oh, I need something for these 2 areas. So let's go ahead and reuse those vegetables we did last month. I really did enjoy that. So, let's see, maybe some avocados. Oh no, these are having peeling issues and I just got these. I have noticed over the years, the Happy Planner stickers, the quality has definitely taken a tumble. So be leery. That's looking really good. Loving it. Alright, so now let's go ahead and get into our pages. Four. Yeah. 31. And of course we're still going to do those dance workouts. I really did like them. I'm going to link them down below. Yeah, because this undated planner, even though this is for August and August starts here, my August ends here. It's really weird. So I think we might even have an extra month in this planner, or I could just grab it and toss it in the trash. I definitely need to start making and or finding a planner. I will hopefully want to do a dated planner for next year because this is really weird. But yeah, I think that's good so far. Let's go ahead and do our meal plan and then I think we'll be done. So I'm still watching Vampire Diaries because why the heck not? However, I did find a recipe from last month that I definitely enjoyed and it looks pretty interesting to me. It was this quesadilla, like spicy buffalo chicken. Sounds amazing. So that's one of the main things I want to try. Whether it be for dinner and or lunch, I'm going to give it a try because why not? Right, and of course check out my Pinterest at, let's see, Perspective Plans. I'd love to have you. And it's where I post most of the recipes that I find doing my meal plans every single week. So be sure to check it out. So let's look at breakfast. Ooh, freezer burritos. I haven't made that in a while, so let's go ahead and do that again. Because why the heck not? You can't go wrong with a breakfast burrito. What else? I might do the parfaits again. Ooh, this is a sausage hash brown cup. Interesting. Very different, I will say. Jimmy Dean has so many different interesting, because I think they even made like a breakfast roll up. Now this isn't the super healthiest, but I do enjoy a good croissant. So we're gonna do a bit of a cheat this month. I mean, not this month, this week. On my meal plan. And I like getting the croissants from Sam's Club. So I wanna make some croissant sandwiches, some croissantwiches, if you will. What else? And even make some of this as well, some club croissants. A nice spin on regular bread, as well as the tortilla wraps that I've been using. They're like carb friendly, and I get them from Sam's. I really love them, but sometimes you just want to mix it up a bit. So that's what I'm hoping to do this month. Ooh, grilled cheeseburger wraps. Let's do that as well. And I do have wraps already, like I mentioned. They're carb friendly, so we could put those to good use. And let's do that for dinner, since it is beef. Maybe I'll even use a meat alternative if I don't feel like cooking beef. I'm not gonna do this yet. I might save this for next month. I'm not entirely sure, but ooh, this looks really good. Let's do a rice bowl. And I think that'll be all. Yeah, this was quite fast. Because then I'll have extra croissants, and we'll do that for breakfast as well as for some dinners. Maybe probably have that with carrots and or I could probably have that with carrots and ranch. I think that'll be a really nice lunch, easy breezy, because I don't want to be in the kitchen that much for the month, because it's been quite hot and I don't want to be sweating while cooking. But yeah, I think that's our meal plan for the month. Thank you so much for playing with me today. Oh, I wasn't in frame. Dang it. But yeah, let's go over our meal plan. Let me zoom in. So we have our freezer breakfast burritos, we have our spicy buffalo chicken quesadillas for lunch, and then we have grilled cheeseburger wraps. And I'll be using my carb-friendly wraps that I get from Sam's Club. So we have our Mega Head croissant breakfast sandwiches, and of course I like eating the croissants in the bakery area from Sam's as well. So I'll be using that for my Mega Head breakfast sandwiches on a croissant. Then we have the Southwest chicken and rice bowl, and of course club croissants, which are essentially a regular deli style sandwich, except it's on a croissant, which is a really good spin on a regular sandwich. But yeah, I think that's the meal plan. Hopefully not everything was entirely out of frame, but yeah, I'll link this meal plan down below. And of course, thank you so much for playing with me. And of course, if you want to save 20% on this meal plan, you can use code PLAN20 for 20% off at perspectiveplans.com. And thank you in advance for supporting a small business. What else? But yeah, thank you so much for playing with me today. And remember to keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the very, very next one. Bye everyone, have a great day. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspectiveplans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.